Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to be doing some stamping again. We're doing on some white square active length nails. Plates we're going to be using are no name plates off Amazon. They are Thanksgiving plates. This one I've used before for my 3 little Indians. Today we're using the teepees. I'm taking the turkey and the corn. And we're going to have a sugar nail, which is going to be, the pinky nail will be sugar. So we're going to dive right in. I'll be using the Sheen Modern Sticky Stamping Polish. Gray, wait a minute, yeah, gray and brown. Got my reinforced sticky stamping polish. My sticky stamper. I got my scraping card, so we are going to, let's see if I get this bottle out of here. We're going to dive in with, so let's go in with the middle one. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. There we go, much better pickup. Much, much better. Take your lint roller, your scraper, a piece of tape, whatever you want to use to clean up your image. Take everything you want off the nail. There we go. There's our first teepee. Teepee. So we're going to go with our pinky now. Cover your image, scrape low and slow. Your lint roller, take off your excess again. And you got a perfect teepee. There you go. There's teepee number 2. Teepee number 3. Way too much polish there. Way too much. Trying to scoop some of it back up, so you so much. Beautiful pickup. Clean up your image. And here we go with TP number 3. Clean your stamper. Clean your plate. Because above them we are going to put a few little images. The little triangles and such that are between, like those. We're going to put those on. And I'm going to do those, well, let me see. I'm going to do them in gray. Just to offset it. Just as a contrast. Don't need a lot of polish. Waste not, want not. Your lint roller. Move any excess. My stamper. There we go. Get my gray. Beautiful pickup. Beautiful pickup. Now here I'm using my scraper. It don't really matter what you use. There we go. There we go. There we are done, I believe, with the gray. Clean up your image. Here we are for our last TV. Our chicken and corn. Chicken and brown for my not my chicken, it's my turkey. We don't do chicken at Thanksgiving time, we do turkey. Perfect pickup. There we go. I don't know if you can see. Let me move this. We got us a turkey. Now I want it to look like the turkey's nibbling on the corn. I'm going to try, see this is, the corn's going to be pretty opaque. And I want to use the green and the yellow, the neon sheer solid pigment on the corn and the husk. I don't know how well that's going to work. I'm going to go with my brown stamping polish. Scrape low and slow. We have got us some corn. Okay, now I need a palette. Let me clean this plate really quick. Give me a palette, let's tap this out some pigment. And for the corn, I'm using a brush to apply my pigment. Don't know how well this is going to work over the brown. But I figure we're going to try. We are going to try sticky stamping polish. Worst thing that happens, it's not going to show up. So I'm going to get my fluffy brush. I'm going to brush it off camera. Not really. Not really. We tried though, didn't we? So what we're going to do now is we are going to plug my lamp in. We are going to take the pinky nail and we are going to apply, that's not the product I want. I want the, where did it go? That tickled my lip. I need a She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish or something. Where is it? Here it is. The glue gel. I use that to hold the sugar on. I love, love, love a sugared nail. Glue it on smoothly. Have your nail completely covered. I'm going to pop her in the lamp for 60. I want to take this chance instead of at the end of the video to let you know about my giveaway that's going on. My She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish. Artsy Fartsy Nails just won not too long, just a couple days ago. So her prize is going in the mail today. Yeah, today. I'm filming this a little bit early, but her prize will go in the mail today. So she'll receive it probably by the weekend. And it's a set of black and white sticky stamping polish. Can't go wrong with them. Whoa. My lamp is tripping out. Let's turn this back on for a few. My lamp was not plugged in correctly. I think my manager turned out pretty cool, but I would love for you to enter the giveaway. It is open worldwide. So yeah. I'm gonna try something really quick. We'll try it on the black TP. I've got some jet black sparkly glitter. It should still be sticky. Let me see if it worked. Yeah, it did. It worked. We have a black TP. Oh my god, I got the wrong one. Let me get the black. Whoops. When you don't feel any sticky anymore, you can rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. There's a song from when I was a little girl about suntan lotion that was on the radio. Rub it in, rub it in. I don't know if anybody's going to remember that song or not. Okay, let me clean this off here. We've got our sugar nail out. We're going to tap, tap, tap. You are supposed to paint the nail, and I didn't do this. Oh my god, paint the nail the color of the sugar. And as you can see, I did that. So we're going to have some white spots in here, which is going to be unfortunate. Very unfortunate. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to burnish it in the nail. Just to make sure our nail is completely covered. Get my brush off camera. Now, unfortunately, it's not going to look right because I didn't paint the nail brown first. That's operator error. Operator error. So here we are. Here is our mani, and we are going to top coat now with our favorite, one of my faves, our Gel Beauty No Cleanse top coat. You do not top coat a sugar nail. It's a textured nail art. Love, love, love. I love a textured nail. Get 2 nails with this one here. Beautiful. Wish the corn would have turned out better as far as using the pigment. That would have been really cute. So I'm going to pop her in, give her a cure for 60, and we'll be back. Alright, we are back. Our nail is right out of the lamp. It is finito. We've got a sugar nail here. And our 3 TPs. I should have done the TPs with the Indians. That would have been really super cute. Maybe I can still do that. We got our turkey with the corn. We got our Indian TPs. I think everything turned out really, really nice. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my early Thanksgiving manicure with our TPs, our sugar nail, and our turkey and corn. I'm digging it. So digging it. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. I think that's it. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.